Hi, good morning this morning. This is Malen KB and this is the continuation of video 10 of this course Forex Data Kit. I was explaining about uptrend and downtrend, uptrend to be precise, higher high, higher low, break of structure before we had an obstruction on the previous video. So we are going to complete our discussion on break of structure and the higher high and higher low. I was trying to illustrate and show you how it is done in the market after showing you the structure, after drawing the lines with the path tool. But now I'm going to show you exactly how it's been done on the chart pattern. So this is the live chart on gold, that's XAU USD. So let me try and draw these lines here so that you understand better what I mean by the break of structure and okay. So I told you earlier you have to pick from the extreme end of a chart. So let me start from here, of a candle, sorry, not chart. So let me start from here. You can start anywhere. So let me just draw it here. Where's the parts tool? Okay, so let me start here. What's wrong? I think something is wrong. Okay, let me try to get this part tool before we continue. Okay, so I've gotten the parts tool. Let's try and draw this uptrend that is moving here. Okay, from the extreme edge of the candle, that's the tail of the candle, to another tail of the candle. This point, this point. You just take your time to draw it and you do it carefully. This point, this point to this point, and now the market is here. So we are expecting another movement probably to this point before market continue, come back, continue, come back, continue. So this is how you draw your chart pattern. This is how the market is moving. So now let me draw the trend line for you to identify the break of structure. Now, after the market moved from here to this point, it went back for a retest before moving up to this point. That is, it broken this area. Okay, it broken this area. So if market is not moving in an uptrend, it is not supposed to break this area, but market break this area and move to this point before coming back for a retest. Then after retesting to this point, then it move upward to this point. It also broken this zone. So this is another break of structure here. This is another break of structure. Now the same thing, when market reach this point, instead of moving upward, it comes back to this point. So this is another break of structure. 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 So as you can see, the market is coming back just like I said. So it's going to come back a bit before moving. Market doesn't move in an upward direction, starting here and moving straight line. No, market move in a zigzag direction. This way, 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 this way. So that is why sometimes you will see market paying you certain amount of money, then the amount will reduce, the amount will increase, the amount will reduce, the amount will increase. That is also that is because the market is moving in a zigzag direction. So there's no need to panic. So this is an upward movement of the market. That is, this is an uptrend. While we also have a downtrend movement. Let me look for a situation where market move in a downward direction to show you something like this also. Okay, I think the network here is not that very good. Let me refresh this page. So that is an upward movement. That is an uptrend. All this is an uptrend. This shows you that market is moving in an upward direction. If you check higher time frame, I'm using 15 minutes. If you check higher time frame, you also confirm that maybe 1 hour, 4 hours, daily time frame, weekly time frame, or monthly time frame. All these time frames are going to tell you what the market is doing in real sense. Is the market going down? Is the price action going down, or is the price moving upward? So I just want to show you a downtrend also, because I've shown you an uptrend. It's just the opposite. Market move downward direction, creating lower high and lower low, then creating break of structures also. So let's just see how the network is going to, I need to see. Okay, let me pause this video so that it won't be very. Okay, so here is another small a downtrend, because the market has been moving uptrend for a very long time. But then I want to show you how you can spot a downtrend. So let's say we pick it from here and comes here. The market give this week, that is proving that it has went back for retest, then coming down here, coming to this point, coming down here again before market started consolidating in this area. So let me open it more for you to see it clearly. Sorry. Okay, you see, so here is the break of structures that this market has created. So you see, it has broken this structure. Sorry, no. It has broken this structure. When it came back, it has also broken the structure, just the opposite of uptrend. You see, so when it went back, it comes down instead of touching this place, but it went down. It has broken the structure. The same thing here, it has broken the structure and comes down here. So that is that about break of structure. And in the next video, I think we are going to talk about okay, we are going to meet in the next video to see our next topic. So if there's any question, you can drop it and I'm going to answer you, God willing.